Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster.
Hey guys, so for this week's video, I decided I haven't done a makeup video in a little while. I mean, it's been a minute, be real. I did it maybe in January, I think was my last one. So I thought, why not bring the OG makeup videos back on my channel? So I decided to do a Glam Glow makeup look for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned if you guys want to get this look that I created here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the video. First things first, in this Glam Glow look that we are going for today, I'm going to be using a moisturizer. So this is Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. So we will be using this product to hydrate our skin. You guys can use whatever moisturizer you guys have. I just am using this one because this is currently what I have and what I've been using. Just so I have a really good base to apply my foundation on. I'm also going to be going with my MAC Stroke Cream just so I can highlight and illuminate certain parts of my faces that I want to and like get it set for when I put my highlighter on later. So I've currently been using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Mine is a matte plus poreless, but I've also used the dewy one before, and they both work very well. I'm in the shade 220. So I'm going to be taking the foundation, and I'll be using this beauty blender. I'm pretty sure this is, I don't know if this is a Real Techniques beauty blender. I don't think it is. I have some mixed of like Real Techniques and e.l.f. and like other brands. So I don't remember which brand beauty blender this one is. But I'm going to be using this one. And I'm just putting the foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just doing a little bit at a time so I don't have a very cakey mess at first, so we can basically build it up as we go along. I like to go in with my concealer. So again, I'm just using the Maybelline, and this is in the shade 15, which is Fair. Charge my battery for a little bit so I can film the rest of this video. But I'm going to be using my NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick. Next thing we are going to do is I'm going to do a mix of like powder, bronzer, and the contour palette that I have. Anyways, I'm using my Tarte Park Ave Princess from Amazonian Clay, their Amazonian Clay collection. Next, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. And I'm probably going to be going in the color Java because that's my favorite, let's just say. So yeah, we're going to be going with the Java. I'm going back in with my Define brush and I'm just going to be using my Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. After that I'm actually going to be going in with my Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder, and I'm going to bake some with this. I'm going to be using my Echo Tools brush, or my Echo Tools Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced palette. It's the Too Faced Chocolate Bar. I'm going to be using my Tarte Chrome Pie in the color Top Yacht, as well as I'm going to be using my two Morphe palettes. So this one is 35 OS and this is 35 OM. So the M and the S, so this is matte and this is shiny. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a little bit from each thing so you guys can see what I do. Okay, so I'm going to be going in with this color right here. Okay, so after I have that natural crease color in, I'm going to be going in with the Chocolate Bar Milk Chocolate color. Once I'm done with that color, I'm going to go in with a little bit of a darker brown. So I'm going to go in right here to this one. With a small amount of concealer, just so I have a fresh base on my lid so the glitter can really pop. So I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer on my hand and then take my concealer brush and blend that out. I'm using this one off my lid. Next I'm going in with my Morphe palette. And this is all the oh yeah, I forgot the lid. I broke the lid on this one. I broke the lid on this one by accident. So here are all the shimmer colors, and I'm going in with a flat brush. My favorite color in this has to be this one, like, no joke, guys. I was obsessed with this one for the longest time. So we are going to go in with this color right here. color Top Yacht. And I'm obsessed with this color. So I'm actually going to be going underneath my eyes on my waterline and just putting some glitter. Okay guys, so it's storming, so my little doggy is going to stay up here with me. And I'm going to try to finish this before my camera dies, because my camera battery is on red and it's flashing at me. So, great. It's going to be fun. So, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and take off all the baked powder I put on. Now that I have that part, we are going to go in with my mascaras. So, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex Regular and Waterproof Mascara. So this is the Tarte blush from the Amazonian Clay collection, and it is in the color Party. Now, probably the thing you've all been waiting for is the highlighter. Guys, since this is a glam glow look, we are going all out on highlighter. So I currently have this Too Faced Love Light Blinded by the Light highlighter. I have this e.l.f. highlighter. I have this one, that one. I have this Tarte Amazonian Clay highlighter in the color Glimmer, as well as my Profusion Strobe and Glow, which, if you guys have been around on my channel for a little while, you guys know that I have used this palette since Christmas of 2017, and I want to say it's been doing a lot. It's been good. It's been really good to me, so I really like this. So, first things first, we are going to go in with my Strobe and Glow highlighter, and I'm going in with the color Glazed, and I'm mixing that with the color Jolly. And then I put a little bit on my nose. Okay, so now we are going to be going in with my 3 other highlighters, because why not? My e.l.f. one. And then now with my Too Faced one. Okay, so I think my camera I used my NYX lingerie in the color Ruffled Trim, and then I've just put concealer around. Anyways, that was it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any other makeup looks that you guys want me to do. And I hope you guys liked this little makeup look that I did for you guys. But anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!